In this video we will learn all about linear sketch pattern. The linear sketch pattern tool is used to create patterns or copies of sketched entities in the X and Y or at an angle to XY directions. There is an entity drawn in drawing screen. Say we wish to create a 3x5 linear pattern of the entity. To create a linear sketch pattern, click the linear sketch pattern tool. Click all the lines in the entity. Entities are not selected together, so all entities select one by one. Ensure that the X-axis direction is active. The box will have a blue background. Set the spacing distance for 20. The 20 spacing distance is derived from the shapes, 15 width plus 5 clearance between each object in the X direction. Dimensions between pattern entities will be automatically generated if dimension X spacing box checked. To make an angle between pattern and X direction, then put the angle value and see the preview. If pattern required in X direction, then put 0 angle here. Set the number of objects to 3. Click the Y-axis box. Set the number of objects to 5. Set the spacing distance for 15. The 15 spacing distance is derived from the shapes 10 height plus 5 clearance between each object in the Y direction. Dimensions between pattern entities will be automatically generated if dimension X spacing box checked. To make an angle between pattern and X direction, then put the angle value and see the preview. If pattern required in X direction, then put 0 angle here. A preview will appear. Click the green OK check mark. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.